this is a first impression video, so I got a few products from Danessa Myricks, and I wanted to do a first impression video showing you guys the products, how it works, how it look, and if I like it or I don't like it. So let me come close up and stay tuned. I'm gonna take you guys from the beginning and let's go. Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm Carsa Cardeen, and today it's only fair for me to showcase these makeup that I picked up. I got these makeup from Danessa Myricks, and she is an amazing African-American woman that is doing great things. Her makeup is beautiful. I absolutely loved it. I've tried her powder before, but I've never tried her foundation or her color fix mattes. So I got these products and I was getting dressed and I thought, let me show you guys the products, how they behave on our skin, how they look, because I know she's a professional makeup artist, and sometimes they, maybe they could tweak stuff here and there, but I wanted to show you guys in real life me using her products and how the products behave on my skin tone. So I got the color fix. I got two. I got you could use it on the eyes, the cheeks, and the lips, and that's what I love about it. It's like 3-in-1. Who doesn't love a 3-in-1 product? Like, yes, multi-purpose product. So I got the almost like a bronzy gold, and then I got the like a pinky thing. I'm as blind as a bat and I can't see, but I'll definitely leave the links down below. I promise I purchased all these products myself, and I just wanted to share because I just love to, if I find something that I absolutely love, or if I find something and I feel like it's beneficial for my audience, I love to share that. So that's what I'm sharing today. So like I said before, I tried the loose powders before and I absolutely love them. So I have number 4 and number 3 and 5. So I have 3, 4, 5, and then I also got the trio, which is this one, which I've never tried. I've tried number 2, but in this trio it has hold on a second, hold on there. Man, I thought it has the number on it. Hold on there. I don't know. Let me open it. But I know number 2 was in there. So in the trio, you have translucent, which is like the white one, and then you have number 2 and 2.5. Yeah. So you have the translucent one, number 2 and 2.5. I had number 2 before, but I never tried the 2.5 or the translucent. So I was like, why not? Let me just get the trio. Because I already know that I like the number 2, but because I'm in Florida, sometimes I get really darker, so I was like, maybe 2.5, and then the loose one, I have never tried it before, so I was like, all right, let me get this. So this is the trio, and then I also picked up 2 of her foundation. Now, I don't know if the foundation I got match, but I gotta try it. So I got a number, wait there. Oh, we can't find a number. Okay, I got W number 3, and I think a W number 5. Those are the 2 that I got. And I know the foundation is multi-purpose, and a W05. So the foundation is supposed to be multi-purpose. Comes in this beautiful package. The package foundation looks small. Like, really look like it doesn't really hold a lot, so I don't know, kind of like should have been bigger, but this is what she packaged in. And according to her, it's multi-purpose, so you can use the foundation as your concealer. That's why I got the 03, and the 05 is for all over, because I was like, multi-purpose, I'm all for that. I don't have to buy a concealer. I could just use this as a concealer and a foundation. Then you are winning. Multi-purpose again. So I love that. So I got those 2, and then I got the setting spray. Now, she had two setting sprays. She had Set It Forever Mist. This is the one that I got. And then she has like a glowy thing. Because of Florida, I wanted to set it. You know, set it, let it stay. Forever set it, like she says. Yes, that's what I wanted to do. So I got this one. And that's all I got. So we're going to play around with the products and see what the do is and see how it does. Oh, let me talk about the loose powder. So the thing that I love about the loose powder is because you can use it as a contour, you know, all over. You could set it, you know, it's perfect. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use it, and let's get with it. Okay, so I'm only doing a light beat, nothing extravagant today. It's really hot and I'm going outside, and I just have on a little, you know, slip dress, and it's about just having, you know, a smooth little texture. So since we can do concealer and foundation, with this foundation I'm going to apply, and they say a small amount go a long way, so I'm going to apply the 003. I'm going to put just a little bit because they said a little bit go a long way, and this is all that I put on. And then I have this little brush, and I have my mirror right here, so if I'm looking here, it's because the mirror is there. Put a little bit of concealer, like so. She look good so far. I'm gonna put a little bit more. And just a little bit right here. And then the foundation, I put just a little bit. So I'm just gonna just dab just a little bit with the foundation. Alright, the 005 look a little bit light, but I'm gonna try and make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Could I get a little bit darker, but we're gonna let it work. And alright. I think I need a little bit more. Alright. Should I look good so far? I just like to let the concealer just sit and kind of like just blend a little bit more. Okay, she's looking good. And I feel like if I want to add more, I can add more just to make it a little bit more full coverage. But it's daytime, I'm just looking for something light. You know, just to smooth my skin out a little bit. I'm going to use the same brush and just blend out the concealer. Like so. Okay, so now that I blend out everything, I think it looks good. I think she's looking good. She looks blended, and she look covered. I'm not too covered, you know, you still can see, like, you know, a little bit of my skin texture, you know, coming through, and you could still see a little bit of imperfection because I don't want to be like all caked up. I just want to be like, you know, smooth out. So I'm just using the same brush and kind of like just, you know, pressing everything in. This is really not a makeup tutorial. It's just me showing you how I use the product and why I like it. Okay, so let me come close so I can show you guys. Like, this is what it looks like so far. I think it looks really good. What do you think? I think so. So let me add a little bit of the blush and a little bit of the lip thing. So I'm just going to use my finger and put a little bit on my lip. It's like a pinky, pinky, you know, rougey color. Like it's not too light. They had a lighter one, but I went with a darker one. And then I'm gonna put a little bit before I set with the powder. I'm gonna put a little bit on my cheek, just a little bit, like so, like so. And then we're gonna just blend that out, like so, like so. And then just rub the brush over your nose just to give you that nice blend. You know, you like that rosy cheek. I think it looks good. Yeah, I think it looks good. I would have put a little bit on my eyes, but I'm gonna try the other color, the brown color. And I'm gonna leave all the link down below, so you guys, if you want it, you can get it. And then I'll put a little bit of this color, just to put a little bit of sheen over the eyes. I like it. It look good. It just gives you that nice, you know, that nice sheen. Nothing too much. And then now we're gonna set. So I'm gonna try a little bit of the translucent one first, because since I've tried number 2 and I know number 2 give you that flawless airbrush look, I'm gonna try the translucent first and just press it underneath the eyes. And I think this looks really good. Wow. Wow. I just poured them on because it wasn't coming out good. So just pour a little bit. And let me come close so I can show you. This is what it's looking like with just the translucent underneath the eyes. Can't tell me say that not look good. That looks so good. Yes. All right, Danessa Myricks, you're doing your thing, girl. I love it. Wow, she looks airbrush. Man, I love it. So I'm going to take number 4, because I think I'm truly like the number 4. And I'm going to take number 4 and set the rest of my face, like so. Like. And I'm just kind of like just pressing it in. You know, because I didn't want to move the foundation, I just want to press it in. I put a little bit on the forehead, like so. And press it in. Oof. The only thing it's a little dusty because it's finely milled. Finely milled means the powder is very fine and very loose. So that's why it gives you that airbrush finish. Like some of the powders are a little bit too, it's not finely milled. Like they didn't mill it like really fine. Like this one is like really fine. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the translucent, you know. So. Wow. I like. I'm just using the same brush that I use with the blush, just to kind of like just, you know, put my little blushy back, you know. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of contouring. I'm gonna use the number 5 because it's the darkest one, and you know, just to give a little bit of definition. You just wanna define your face like so, and that look good. Wow. Let me show you like so. So this is the darker shade, and you want to do more like a W. So like so, up so, and round so, and come so. Yeah. So yeah. So a little bit down my nose, like so. And that's it. So guys, let me come close and show you what it looks like. I got all the powders on, the blush, everything on. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on my eyes, and then I'll come back and show you. I'm going to do the setting and set everything together and show you what the final look like. But Danessa, you're doing your thing, girl. I absolutely love it. I love how flawless it look. I love how natural it look. I love that it just looks skin-like. And when I set it, I know it'll look even better. So yeah, this is it. Let me just go ahead and do what I do and then come back. Okay guys, so I'll come close so you can see. So I put on the mascara, that's it, and then I put a little bit of eyeliner on. I put a little brown liner on. I didn't even touch up the lips, honestly, but this is the setting spray. Set it, and then I'm gonna just set everything and then show you what it looks like. So I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit, and honestly, I should have set it before I put on the mascara, so the mascara didn't really bleed. But let me look. Just fanning it, you know, just to get it dry. So this is like a close-up. I wanted to show you guys exactly what it looked like. So I'm gonna take me a tell of it. And then I'm gonna just sit down. So this is it, guys. This is the final look. Danessa girl, I must say that your powders are flawless. Like, the foundation might be my new favorite foundation. I have a lot of different foundation, but I like this. I like that it's skin-like. I like that it looks natural. I like that it covers. I like that I can use it as a concealer and a foundation 2-in-1. I love that. I love the lip product. I love that I can just like, and it's matte, but it's not drying. I love that I can use it as a blush. I can use it on my eyes. I can use it on my lips. I just love everything about that. And the Fix It spray, actually, I like it too. I feel like it doesn't make my face feel tight, and still give a little bit of glow, but not too much glow, and it's still like kind of like just matte down everything. I like that. And yeah, I think that's it. So guys, if you like this look, honestly, I think you should go out and get it if you wanted to try something new and support a black business. I think Danessa Myricks, her products are truly amazing. I think she put a lot of energy and thought process into it. I mean, she's a makeup artist, so then again, she know what work from what don't work. So I like that. And I'm going to link all the products that I purchased down below, and if you guys wanted to get it, she have a website, or you could get it from Sephora. Those are the two places, or you can get it at Morphe. I went to Morphe, they never really have a lot, and I went to Sephora. The shelf was this small and this big, and they didn't have a lot, so I purchased the stuff online. So you can go to her website and purchase it too if you want to. But anyway, I just wanted to share, because I got it and I was gonna just use it, but I was like, might as well just show the process behind it and show it as I got it, like brand new first impression. So this is a first impression video. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and guess what? I'll see you later. Bye guys.